on the side. Number 6. Tuna in olive oil. Packed with lean protein and anti-inflammatory tanned omega-3s. Tuna in olive oil keeps your body in muscle-building mode while you sleep. The fats in the oil slow digestion, creating a sustained amino acid release. In the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, seniors who ate omega-3 rich tuna before bed saw a 34% higher overnight protein synthesis versus those skipping fats. How to use. Scoop out 1/2 can of tuna in olive oil. 30–45 minutes before bed. Pair with cucumber slices or whole grain crackers. Skip heavy dressings to avoid bloating. Number 5. Greek yogurt. Unsweetened Greek yogurt delivers casein protein, probiotics, and calcium in one creamy package. Its slow-release casein provides amino acids for up to 7 hours, and probiotics support gut-muscle communication. A Frontiers in Nutrition trial found seniors who snacked on Greek yogurt at night experienced a 26% boost in overnight muscle repair and improved cellular energy production. How to use. Have 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt, about 45 minutes before hitting the sack. Flavor with cinnamon, fresh berries, or a drop of vanilla. For extra benefits, stir in a teaspoon of chia seeds. Number 4. Warm turmeric milk. This comforting drink combines casein protein, calcium, and tryptophan in milk with curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory from turmeric. A nutritional neuroscience study reported a 32% improvement in overnight muscle synthesis when seniors drank this blend before bed. How to use. Heat 1 cup of milk, dairy or fortified plant milk, until warm but not boiling. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. Sweeten lightly if desired. Sip 30 minutes before sleep. Number 3. Almond butter. Almond butter delivers healthy fats, plant protein, magnesium, and vitamin E, all vital for overnight repair. Research in nutrients showed that bedtime nut-based fats improved nitrogen retention by about 17% and lowered cortisol, which otherwise breaks down muscle during the night. 1 tablespoon of natural almond butter. 30 minutes before bed on whole grain toast or straight from the spoon. Choose unsweetened, minimally processed almond butter. Number 2. Tart cherry juice. Rich in anthocyanins and natural melatonin, tart cherry juice reduces inflammation and improves sleep quality, both crucial for muscle recovery. A study in JSSN found adults over 50 who drank tart cherry juice before bed experienced 33% less soreness and about 15% better sleep efficiency. Drink 4 to 6 ounces of 100% unsweetened tart cherry juice, 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime. Dilute if needed and avoid added sugars. Number 1. Whey protein shake. For seniors battling anabolic resistance, a whey protein shake is unmatched. Whey isolate floods your system with essential amino acids, especially leucine, to ignite muscle protein synthesis. In the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, adults over 65 who drank a 40-gram whey isolate shake before bed saw a 22% increase in overnight muscle building and lower muscle breakdown markers. How to use. Mix 1 scoop of whey protein isolate with water or unsweetened almond milk, 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Keep it light. Avoid sugars or heavy additives. For extra calories, blend with half a banana or a spoonful of nut butter. 5 simple guidelines for success. 1. Add your healthy fats. When you take foods with D3, K2, or E, for example, a dollop of nut butter or olive oil. 2. Space out minerals. Don't take calcium alongside magnesium or zinc. Wait at least an hour. 3. Choose bioavailable forms, casein, whey isolate, Omega-3s, natural D-alpha tocopherol, and active vitamin varieties. 4. Make it nightly. Treat your bedtime nutrition like brushing your teeth, non-negotiable. 5. Stay hydrated. A small glass of water helps carry these nutrients into your cells. Your body does the hard work of building muscle, while you dream, give it the right fuel. Tonight, pick the food you're most likely missing and make it part of your routine. Drop in the comments which one you'll try, subscribe for more science-backed senior health tips, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Here's to waking up stronger starting tomorrow. Disclaimer: all visuals and footage in this video are for illustration only and do not represent the actual individuals or outcomes mentioned. The content here is provided solely for educational and informational purposes and should not be construed as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet, exercise, or supplement routine. All research studies, data sources, and detailed references are linked in the video description below. Please review them for full context and methodology. Subscribe for more and watch the video on screen about after 60. Take this vitamins before bed or your muscles will keep disappearing.